another unboxing video. I actually got this not too long ago, but I guess my apartment manager or whatever. But anyways, I'm about to unbox it now. I actually totally forgot what I got. Alright, let's see. Let's see what we got here. Honestly, it's probably like lotion. Oh, snap. I didn't even know. Alright. Got some conditioner. Gonna try this out. I would have tried it out already, but kind of used something else. That's why my hair is wet. Got some shampoo. I actually can't wait to try those too. Oh, snap! Honestly, these are the best ever. Not cap at all. There's like 55. So like, if you're just single, living by yourself, these will last you forever. Like, for real, months. I like to use this on my entire body. This keeps my skin so soft. Sorry, I'm lame. Alright. Oh, snap! Oh, snap. Oh, snap is correct. Hold up. Freaking everything's falling everywhere. I didn't even know there was another part to it. Alright. Ooh, hemp seed oil lip gloss. Chapstick, lip balm. Can't wait to use that. Gotta keep my lips not chapped. Gotta keep my lips not from being chapped. This is... Hold on, can you see it? Can you see it? Oh, well, it's just gonna stay down there. I'm not even gonna get it again. Alright. Let's get this out of here. Alright. Got an A box. Let's see what's in here. Because I actually don't know, truthfully. Alright. Oh, so got a new ultimate in here. I'm just gonna keep them all in here so I don't lose them. What is this? What is this? Aqua Bomb Jelly Cleanser for all skin types. Can you see it? Alright. Actually, I'm just gonna keep them off to the side. And the last two. This is the True Cream Light Gel Cream for face. It's like little travel sizes, so which is awesome because I always like to have travel ones. They come with me. And then this is Renew Day Cream. Okay. Oh, I love this stuff. I also use this for my entire body too. I actually was running low on it, so I was kind of happy. Alright. And then some more lip balm. This is a tropical coconuts. Okay, can you see it? Cool. Ooh, some more lip balm, because you can never have too many lip balms. I'm not saying that my lips are crusty, but like Arizona heat is no joke. Alright, let's see what else. Ooh, poppers. Who doesn't like poppers? Some more lip balm, which I love so much. And some more hemp seed oil. And I think, actually, this is tinted. Wait, is this the other one tinted too? Alright, so this is tinted lip balm. I'm actually kind of excited to see what that is. And then this is just regular lip balm, but they're both hemp oil, which I love the most. But yeah, and this is another lip balm. Again, not saying that I have crusty lips, but Arizona be too dang hot. And this is another coconut oil. There we go. And, ooh, yes. I was actually running low on this too. This actually I love so much. Oh, dang, there's more. I just looked at the freaking viewfinder and I was like, oh, snap. Well, we can't use that either. But so many lip balms. This is strawberry. This is, I think, the original Skin So Soft oil. Lip balm oil, my brain. And calming relief. Yes. But this is a new vitamin C serum. I actually like this. It's actually part of my step process for my face. I'm gonna actually just put them all back in here. Except for this, I'm gonna put that away. I'm gonna put them all in here for right now until I find the home for them. But I guess that's all I got. Dang, I'm so happy that I got a lot of freaking bombs because one thing. I always have to have a balm on me, and if I don't, I feel like my lips are crusty. Like, I already have some balm on me. But so I'm just definitely gonna use these. But I hope you like the video. These honestly are amazing. These clean up really, really well of all your dishes. And it actually leaves a good smell to it. But yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, do whatever you want. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the comments if you do. Alright. And stay hydrated because hydration is really, really, really important. Yeah, have an amazing day. Bye.